Okay, here we are in my kitchen, also known as my science laboratory. And the reason we are here is we need my refrigerator. So here we are. This is my refrigerator. I have a crazy magnet collection, which, excuse me, I'm about to drop the iPad, which is not so important. But let's take a look at this one, a familiar one, the Golden Gate Bridge. And if you take a look, you can see that the magnet, just like in the reading, is on the back. And this part, the Golden Gate Bridge, is the decoration. Let's see another one here. This is one of my favorites, Shanghai. And on the back is the magnet itself. This, oops, you can't see this part. So I hope you have some magnets in your house. And this one's a cool one. This one is Mexican. I hope you have some magnets in your house where you can experiment. You have the decoration on the front, but the magnet is the real thing in the back. So let's actually take this one for the science experiment. We're going to come over here in my kitchen, and I have a bunch of random objects that I got for this experiment. And excuse me while I prop up the camera. And here we are. So you're going to need a magnet like mine. I have this one. Here's another one. And you're going to want a lot of objects. And we'll go over that in a second. So we're going to start at the top of the paper. Your title is Magnetic Observations. And that's your title. And the date is March 24th, 20. And you're going to have one column here that says, Will it stick? Question mark. That's your first column. And, oop, that was not a great line. Hold on. Okay. Will it stick? And then you're going to want another column that says object. And another column that says things that stick. And the last column, things that don't stick. Don't stick. Okay. So, we're going to start off with something like this. This is aluminum foil. Say it with me. Aluminum foil. And I'm going to write it down. Aluminum foil. That's 2 words. I hope you have that. Whoops. I hope you have that in your house. If you don't, you can observe me. So do you think it will stick? Will it stick? Yes or no? I think it's going to stick. Yes. And let's try, we'll put that aside and we'll do all our testing afterwards. Now, what else do I have in my bucket? I've got a knife. This is actually a steel knife. So let's write that down. Steel knife. Will it stick? What do you think? I think yes. Ooh, terrible noise, sorry. I've got a ball of yarn. Will it stick? Let's write it down. Ball of yarn. What are we sticking? You might have forgotten what we're doing. We are going to stick magnets to things. Will it stick? Will it not stick? A ball of yarn. So if you don't have those things in your house, no stress. You could get a random other thing like, I don't know, like this napkin. Will it stick? Yes or no? But that's not one of my things. So the next thing, we've got ball of yarn. Will it stick? I think no. Now let's try another thing. Oh, I found another magnet? Will it stick to another magnet? I think yes. Do you? What else do we have in my bucket over here? A sponge. Will it stick? You tell me. Do you think it will stick? Yes or no? You'd guess. What about this carton of eggs? Egg carton. Will it stick? Yes or no? How about this rubber straw? Rubber straw. Okay. What about this wooden spoon? I'm having fun. Are you? Wooden spoon. How about this random rock? Why do I have that in my house? No idea. Okay. And let's write that down. Rock for Miss Rockwell. Okay, what about this? A steel nail. Will it stick? The big question. How about rubber band? Will it stick? Yes or no? Rubber band. And that's probably enough, at least for my video. Oh no, one more thing. Paper clip. And it is a steel paper clip. Okay, now the moment of truth. Somebody's life's about to change. Name that movie. Okay, and let's start at the top. So I've got my magnet. Cute little magnet. And the magnet part is here. And the question is, will it stick to aluminum foil? I thought the answer would be yes. Let's see. Oh, man, I was wrong. Things that don't stick, aluminum foil. It does not stick. Okay, bummer. How about the steel knife? Not that. I know it's excited, but the steel knife. Do you think it will stick? I said yes. What do you think? Oh, yeah. Look at that. So that was correct. Yes. Will it stick? I said that the ball of yarn would not stick. It's sticking. Just kidding. No, it's not sticking. Not sticking. Ball of yarn is a no-no. Okay, will it stick to another magnet? Will it stick to another magnet? Let's see. Yeah, it does. Okay, yes. Will it stick to a sponge? No. Will it stick to an egg carton? No. Will it stick to a rubber straw? No, but that was ridiculous. Okay, will it stick, whoa, to a wooden spoon? No. Will it stick to a rock? No. Will it stick to a steel nail? I mean, yes, but not very well. That's interesting. Okay, so yes. And let's see, will it stick to a rubber band? No. And will it stick to a steel paper clip? Uh-oh. Yes. Okie dokie. So what did we learn from this? Well, we learned that some of my predictions were not correct. I thought it would stick. I just thought it would stick to all metal, so I guess I was wrong with that. I must need to go back and read that science read aloud again, because that's when I learned that magnets only stick to iron and steel. And you might have some other nails in your house. I unfortunately only had a steel nail, But it would be very interesting if you could find an aluminum nail. And I wonder if it would stick or not stick. You might not have the same objects in your house. No worries. Try it with other objects. Take a photo and send it to me. And that's the end of our lesson on magnetic observations. Will it stick? Yes or no? Over and out.